Hey everybody, this is Quick, back with another tutorial because I haven't done a tutorial in a while. My mic is messed up. One second, let me fix it. Anyway, first thing today we're gonna make a main menu, and the heck? Oh yes, this. Okay. Anyway, main menus are pretty easy. Let me just. Okay. And yeah, let's just get into it. So first thing, you're gonna want to find a landscape. That's 1920 x 1080. It doesn't have to be a landscape. I guess you could design your own. Honestly, I'll probably get a new one for the tutorial at some point, but I'm gonna search for cool wallpapers because they're cool. Kind of like this one. I think it fits. So I'm gonna download it, and I'm just gonna put in tutorial, search Minecraft assets, Minecraft tutorial, and we're gonna call this main menu and save it. Now we're gonna just leave that, and we're gonna create a new package. We're gonna call this .ui. Now we're gonna name this tutorial main menu, and we're gonna make it extends GUI screen. That's just G screen. Make sure it's a GUI screen. Also, my dad, I just want to say real quick, my dad thinks it's GUI, not GUI. Can you all put in the comment section how wrong he is? If you do that, then I don't know, give you a role on my Discord server. Anyway, we're going to put draw screen, control space, do that. And now I'm going to copy this paste this method in because it took me 8 years to figure out. I did this wrong actually. Anyway, we're going to want to type mc.getTextureManager.bindTexture, and then this.drawModel with custom size texture 0, 0, 0, 0, this.width, this.height, this.width, this.height. In the bind texture, we're going to do new resource location, and what do I put this under? Tutorial / main menu.jpg. There we go. Okay. And now, alright, first thing we're going to do now is click search. Let me take off my watch for a second. It's just annoying. You're going to search for GUI main menu. And you're actually going to want to copy tutorial main menu real quick. Now down here in the search, you probably have it. I'm gonna, in every single instance of it, this may seem tedious, but it is very much worth it when you get a cool main menu. For every single one, you just want to go down there, double click it, and paste in. These are all right here. And paste in tutorial main menu or whatever you called it. Not in GUI main menu. Don't do that. This is really tedious, guys. I highly recommend that you do not do this regularly. You want to paste it in both of these right here. Update. Yeah, we're gonna put that there. Yeah. I shouldn't give any errors, I don't think. This is super tedious. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say this, but it's so tedious. There runs an Optifine? Since when? Oh, it's a reflector class. Yeah, I don't think we need to put that there. I'm gonna do it anyway, though. Yeah, never mind. It's probably gonna give a bunch of other errors. Okay, apparently there's an error, so I'm gonna check it. Yeah, I didn't import it here. Make sure you import it in every file. Now we're just gonna run it, and we'll edit it while we're in it. Make sure to run the debug, because then you can edit it, I think. I haven't made a main menu in a, bit. And there we go. It is there. Great. Yeah. Now, what am I thinking? We're gonna make. Actually, we're gonna do that sometime else. But now we're gonna do init GUI. Make sure the super init GUI is at the end. Anyway, we're gonna do this dot button list dot add new GUI button, and button ID, just put 1, width height by 2 minus 40. Oh wait, this is the X. Whoops, put this in the Y. And put the X at, like, I don't know, 10. And then here, we're gonna put single player. And then we're gonna do multiplayer options quit. So let's just put those there. Multiplayer. I'm gonna put settings. And I'm gonna put rage quit. And put these as 2, 3, and 4. Then we're gonna put this as 30. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this 20. This 10. Make this minus 0 and make this plus 10. And then, yeah, we're gonna have to restart, but that's okay. Actually, before we restart, we're gonna put action performed. Yeah, alright, then run it again. Yeah, save this first. Run it again. We're gonna do if we're gonna button.id equals 1 mc.display GUI screen new GUI select world, and we're gonna put this. Now we're gonna do this 1, 2, 3 more times. Make them, your button IDs. I think this is GUI multiplayer. Yep. GUI options. And then if it equals 4, mc.shutdown, I think. And under GUI options, we're going to do mc.game settings. That should work. And then if we go here, that did not work at all. So we're going to multiply both of these by, let's do 40, 20, 20 here. That's what I have to do. Yeah, let's add, alright, make this 40, make this 15, and then 5, so plus 10, and then I can't do math, can I? And then plus 35, and then press that, and then escape, and it actually looks really nice. And you can go single player, multiplayer, settings, and then rage quit. That yellow glow that you saw when you hovered over rage quit, I don't know what that is, honestly. Could be anything. Now we're going to do mc That's not it. MC, actually, yes, that is it. Font renderer obj dot drawstring. You can do it with shadow. I'm gonna do it with the shadow because I think it's fun. And we're gonna do tutorial dot instance dot name, and then we're gonna do this dot width divided by 2 minus c dot font renderer obj dot get string width, and just copy this, and then for the color we're gonna do, let's say, no, not the color, the Y. We're gonna do this dot height divided by 2 minus mc dot font renderer obj dot font height, and for this we're gonna do -1, and then it says tutorial in the middle. Congratulations. Now we're gonna do a few more things. We're gonna do gl state manager dot push matrix. GL state, that's HL, do not do HL. GL state manager dot scale, right? 1.2, 1.2, 1.2, and then GL that. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna copy this because I can't type apparently. Dot pop matrix, and then that is. I'm gonna cut in the video for like 1 second. Alright, so this is actually what we're gonna do. We're gonna put that in. I definitely did not copy that from my other client. And tutorial dot instance dot name. Alright, we're gonna go over this real quick. String agent. Yeah, we have to do that, and then it'll make us restart, I think. Yep. Alright, we're gonna go over this. GL state manager dot push matrix. Basic, what that does is before you do something like translate or scale, then it pushes it. I can't explain this, but you push when you start doing this, and then after you've drawn what you need to do and it's scaled and all that, then you do pop matrix. I really can't explain it better than that. Anyway, translate width divided by 2f, height divided by 2f, 0. GL state manager dot scale 3, 3, 1. GL state manager dot translate negative parentheses with my, I cannot talk, width divided by 2f, and then the same thing but height, and then 0. And then this dot draw centered string mc dot font renderer obj tutorial dot instance dot name width divided by 2f, height divided by 2f, minus mc dot font renderer obj dot font height divided by 2f, -1. And then pop matrix. And draw centered string, you're going to want to change this to float instead of int. Nothing will change, honestly. And then if you want, we can do this dot drawstring mc dot font obj dot drawstring with shadow. We're gonna do tutorial dot instance dot version, and then we're gonna do this right here with and plus, let's say mc dot, no, that won't work. Plus 50. Let's just do 50 for now, and we're gonna get rid of that and that. Yep. Now launch with the debug because we're gonna have to change a little bit of values. Recording, right? Yeah. Dude, 16 minutes already. Jeez. I need to code faster. And that isn't working. I forgot to put that. Plus 50, make this 80 maybe. 60. And now we're gonna times 2f maybe. Yeah, that actually looks really good, but I'm gonna make this a new color 0 0 0 255 dot get RGB. That's this RFB. Shift O. You don't have to do this. I just think it will probably make it look a little prettier. Okay, I lied. That I'm gonna make it blue actually. No, that's terrible. God, OCD. Friggin'. Okay, that actually looks decent. Except I'm just gonna do that. Yes, that looks perfect, honestly. Yeah, this works pretty well. You could also move this to right here. Honestly, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna GUI.drawRect 0 0 and then this dot. Oh no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do 100. This dot height, and then new color 0 0 0 170 dot get RGB. How's that look? Okay, it's not big enough. 300? That's too big. 200? 250? 220? That's perfect. No, it's not perfect. 1 second. There we go. That's perfect. Honestly, I kind of want to move that up there. I'm gonna do it. You can't stop me. I couldn't be more proud of this. Honestly, it looks better than some of my personal clients. I put way too much effort into it. In the future, we'll add custom buttons, but honestly, these buttons look kind of good. And in the middle here, you could put like a rectangle or some text describing your client. I might do that in my own time or something, just because it'll make it look good. But yeah, that is a main menu for you. That I thought this was gonna be like a 5-minute video, but it turned out to be a lot longer than that. I'm just gonna delete. What if I just want to try something? Yeah, it screws it over. Yeah, there we go. Honestly, really good. Better than Ukiyo Client. Fuck Ukiyo Client. Honestly, so good. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Sorry it got a lot longer than I thought it was going to be. But now you have a great main menu. We're gonna make custom buttons soon, I think, but until then, honestly, this is amazing. I love it. But, anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.